Hey, what's up and welcome back everybody. I'm back with another mukbang, and today we got some hot Cheeto chicken and some queso. So let's get started. Y'all, I love hot Cheeto chicken. Look at that. Oh, okay. Truly, hot Cheeto anything is superior. But look, y'all. Look how. Oh. Wait until y'all hear how crispy it is. Like, y'all ready? I'll give y'all first bite, friend. All right. I know this is gonna be hot. I used the extra hot Flamin' hot chips, so I'm ready, y'all. Woo. Delicious. Oh my god. Look, the inside is done and fully cooked for those who be skeptical. And I'm gonna just dip it in my queso. Woo. It's giving everything I wanted it to give. But anywho, how are y'all doing today? Whew. Well, I hope everything is going all right. Whew. If it's not going all right, prayers to y'all. I know it's holiday time. People are busy. So that first one was it. I am doing pretty good as well. Y'all better get y'all some of these. Dip it in my queso. Are y'all doing any traveling these holidays? What y'all got planned? Ooh. Oh, me? I ain't going nowhere. Staying my little old self here in Texas. Spending the holidays with the family and working. I do have a couple. Ooh, that was hot. We do have a couple more events to do before we wrap up the 2023 year. Woo. My mouth hot. And for my drink today, y'all know I got my ginger ale. Like I said, y'all need to get that ginger ale and let them holler at your girl, because your girl needs her coins. Ooh. I drink ginger ale in my daily routine, the way I drink ginger ale, I should be getting paid. But anywho, yeah, we have a few more events before we wrap up the year. Is it me, or are these years going faster and faster and faster? Because ain't no way. Ain't no way, my boy. Like, y'all, it's about to be 2024. I've been in Texas 4 years. 4. It feels like I still just got here. Like, I don't know if it's because we don't get out and explore too much or what, but I literally feel like we just moved here. And I moved to Texas June of 2019. June of 2019, and it's already been 4 years. Where does time go? Like, is it that when you get older, things just fly by? Because I swear, as a kid, a year felt like a year, y'all, but these years is feeling like seconds at this point. Man, time needs to slow down. It be the beginning of the year, and then before you know it, it's the end of the year. Like, what did I accomplish this year? It's crazy, y'all. Ooh. Ooh. I don't know if I said it already in between my ramblings. Y'all know I get the rambling on and talk about random stuff, but my day's going all right. I didn't have too much to do today, just to scoop some cookie dough. It was the red velvet chocolate chip cookie, and I should have known better. Like, the cookie looks cool, it tastes good, but though, not only do I have to make 2 different cookie doughs, then I have to let them sit. And then I have to actually scoop both sets. And then once those cookie balls set, then I have to go back, slice them in half, and then roll them together. I underestimated how much work that cookie would be. So this morning was a morning. It was a good morning, but baby, I put in some work today. So I thought I'd reward myself with a pretty decent lunch. And boy, woo, ew. I want to show y'all this inside, but like, it's super hot. Like, y'all see that? Y'all see that? For those of you who have not tried the hot Cheeto chicken yet, why not? Because why not? If you need a recipe, dig through my channel. I'm pretty sure I have quite a few recipes of how to do the hot Cheeto chicken. To be honest, it's no different than making the hot Cheeto pickles. So if you made the hot Cheeto pickles, it's the same concept, just with chicken. And you just gotta cook it a little longer. Make sure your chicken is done. So I make my chicken in the air fryer. The air fryer presetting on mine for chicken is 20 minutes. But don't do that. Don't do that. I add an extra 10 minutes onto the timer. So it's cooked fully for 30 minutes. So I do 15 minutes on one side and then flip it and then cook it for another 15 minutes on the other side. And then it's perfectly done. It's juicy. It's not dry. But it's not pink in the inside. Don't do that. Add a couple more minutes onto your chicken because you're going to be pissed. Excuse me, you're going to be pissed if you cook your chicken and it's done nothing in the inside. Now all that hard work then went to waste of doing all this. And the chicken not cooked in the inside. Don't do that to yourself. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh. Oh. If you're scared to do an extra 10 minutes, then at least do 5 minutes extra than what your air fryer already says. By all means, you could also fry this in oil, but I don't know if I recommend that though. Yeah, I don't know if I recommend that because you don't want the Cheetos to be oily. Like, you want the crisp, you want the crunch, but you don't want it to be greasy and oily. So I would definitely say just stick to making them in the air fryer. I underestimated that these were gonna fill me up. I still got another whole chicken and I'm already full. This last piece and I'll save the other one for later. Oh, my mouth is hot though. I'm trying so hard not to cough or choke. That's how hot my mouth is though. Is it temperature hot? Ooh, and spicy hot. Y'all, I'm sorry. I gotta call it one. I gotta call it one. It's good. Like normally it'd be hot and spicy to me, but today the spice is like kicking my ass. So I'm gonna just call it one today, cause, whoo, baby. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry that I'm cutting the video a little short, but your girl's struggling a little bit. But again, if you haven't tried the hot Cheeto chicken wings, try them. Look through my channel for a recipe, or if I have time, I'll try to link one either above or below in the description box. Excuse me. As usual, I appreciate y'all. I'm thankful for y'all. I cannot ask for a better fan base. Like, y'all are amazing. But without further ado, that's all I have for y'all today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.